I'm Charmaine du Plessis. I'm from UNISA. As you've heard today, we've been a sustainability partner of YCAPS for 15 years. And even though we worked with YCAP for all these years, in 2021 we started with a 4-year project. And today we are going to, me and my team, we are going to report on the results of the first 3 years, and we are going to complete year 4 later this year. So why did we do the first study? The study's focus was, how does YCAP help young people become active citizens who identify and solve problems in their communities? So you heard from the panelists this morning the impact that YCAP had on their lives. So we wanted to illustrate with this study how YCAP equips young people to move from identifying problems to creating solutions while working through the YCAP toolkit. So this study matters a lot because South Africa needs young people who can lead positive change, as you've heard today. And we also wanted to understand how initiatives led by the youth can strengthen schools and communities from the ground up. So this is the first year of our 4-year project. So we followed a particular research approach. We considered the experiences and perspectives in participants' own words. And we had 15 YCAP participants, 7 in school and 8 alumni. And we selected 2 winning schools, 1 urban and 1 rural, to be a bit more representative. And our age group was 16 to 22 years. So we asked the participants to write down all of their experiences. In academia, we call it naive sketches, because they not only had to write down their experiences, but then also draw sketches about their experiences. And Amanda will know that we want to do our research in a very scientific way. So we can testify that the research that we did was trustworthy. We submitted a research proposal to UNISA. We received ethical clearance based on that research proposal. And then the findings of this particular project, we independently reviewed it by multiple researchers, and it was verified through a rigorous analysis process. So I'm going to report on the most important results. So what became evident when we analyzed the findings is that young people took an active role in improving their schools and communities, as you've heard today. So basically, YCAP creates young change makers. The learners reported in their own handwriting that they identified community challenges, they worked collaboratively to solve problems, they worked in teams, they raised awareness of important issues, they mobilized schools, families and communities, and take ownership of local solutions rather than waiting for others to act. So YCAP is all about action, and even scientific research findings can testify to that. So some examples of community projects: water conservation campaigns, career guidance initiatives, school sick room facilities, community awareness programs, and then education improvement projects. So these were some of the kind of projects that we analyzed, or that the learners and alumni reported on. So you heard about the skills that the learners gained. So we measured that, and we can testify that the public speaking confidence that you heard today is all about YCAP. And it's not only the panelists, but also across schools nationally. Teamwork and collaboration skills, problem-solving abilities. The learners had to really solve the problems that they identified in their communities. financial management and fundraising experiences, because they worked with budgets. They had to budget and sometimes improvise to find money. Networking and stakeholder engagement skills, because they worked with not only their own learners, but also outside stakeholders. Digital and presentation skills. They had to present on their projects at nationals. Greater self-confidence and self-esteem, as you heard today. So we observed a lot of personal development of learners. Learners describe themselves as more confident, responsible, proactive, and better equipped to lead positive change. In the communities, the impact was they became aware of social and environmental issues, so more community participation and engagement. And stronger partnerships between schools and communities because of the involvement of the learners, improved trust in schools, practical solutions implemented at grassroots level. And they also impacted their schools because they often solved problems in their own schools. They reported improved learning environments, better access to information and opportunities, stronger culture of leadership and service, increased learner involvement in school improvement initiatives. So based on your results, we can say that YCUP is not only changing learners, but is creating a ripple effect, as you've heard today, of positive change that reaches schools, families, and communities, while building the next generation of socially responsible leaders. I just want to show you the publication based on this particular study. We published in a book chapter, and if you're interested in reading the study, you're welcome to contact either Amanda or the YCAP team, or the UNISA team as well. So thank you very much.